Without a strong why, people don't buy. Burn these words into your brain. Let me repeat them. People don't buy without a strong why, and you should give them more than one reason to buy your product or service in your written copy, communication, and sales message. I want to share with you 10 most important reasons to persuade people to buy from you, regardless of the product or service you are selling and the competition in your market. Then, I want to make some practical examples to let you understand how to use these triggers in your marketing to push people to buy from you. But before, let me give you the right mindset, otherwise it could be challenging to use these triggers appropriately. First of all, you're not selling products or services, but you're selling emotions. The first mindset you need to pay attention to is to put yourself in the customer's shoes and think about the emotions they want to feel related to the stuff you are selling. For instance, why would you consider buying a Rolex or a Ferrari or a Lamborghini? You will discover the answer very soon, and it has a lot to do with one specific trigger I'm going to share with you. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I suggest you subscribe right now and turn the notification on to be notified every time I upload a new daily video. If you like this type of content, tap on the like button as well, and thank you. 2 other essential hints for you. Use these motivators in different parts of your sales message, and don't worry about repeating the same concepts in various sections of your sales speech. I urge you to use some of these triggers based on the product or service you're selling, especially on the headline package: pre-headline, headline, sub-headline. Indeed, the headline is responsible even for 80% of your sales conversion. Every one of us read the headlines for sure. Here are 10 reasons why to persuade people to buy from you. And the reason number 1 is make money. All people in the world are interested in making money. If your product or service helps your potential customers make money, you should always use this trigger in your communication, sales message, video, and written sales letter. This is the most used and the most obvious. At the same time, is the motivator that works the most. Keep in mind this question. What are 5 ways my product or service will help my clients and potential customers make money? Reason why number 2, save money. As make money trigger, save money is one of the most used. No one wants to put money in the bin, and if your product or service helps your customer save money, you should communicate it immediately. So, the question you need to answer is this. How can I or my product or service help my potential customers or clients save money over the next week, month, or year? Reason why number 3. Save time. I've told you multiple times on my videos, time equals money. No one wants to waste time even in doing the simplest thing in the world. To be honest, I think this trigger is undervalued because it is a powerful weapon to use, especially if you are able to communicate it properly and it is related to making money. Later on, I'll do some examples, so bear with me till the end of this video. Reason why number 4. Avoid effort. The less effort you're asking your client to achieve the specific outcome your product or service can deliver, the better it is. Imagine clicking the purchase button on a weight loss product and instantly lose 20 pounds. Or imagine hiring a marketing firm and as soon as you sign the contract, you start receiving potential customers' leads. How valuable would these products, services be? Infinitely valuable. The question I want you to answer is this. What is something your clients don't have to do anymore once they get my product or service? Reason why number 5. Escape mental or physical pain. With this trigger, you have to focus your attention to improve the quality of your customer's life or, for instance, allowing them to run a business with less stress. The question you have to answer is this. What physical pain do I eliminate for them, and what does that mean for their life and business? Reason number 6. Achieve greater cleanliness or hygiene to attain better health. With this trigger, we are persuading our customers to live a better life thanks to our product and service. It means improving their health conditions. The question you have to answer is this one. What are the 3 ways I or my product can help them feel more comfortable and achieve greater cleanliness or hygiene? Reason why number 7. Get more comfort. It means finding a way to link your product and service to reduce the mental pain, stress and concerns your potential clients and customers live with based on the problem you want to solve. The question is, how does my product or service eliminate mental pain or worry for them? Reason why number 8. Gain price. With this trigger, you are working to increase the ego of your client. Every one of us wants to receive compliments, especially from strangers. It is related to our self-esteem. So, if your product can help your ideal customer make a good impression, you should use it. Unfortunately, many people buy things not because they need them, but because they want to impress others. The question you have to answer is this one. What are 3 ways my product or service will help them be the envy of their friends? Reason why number 9. To be part of something. I think this trigger is undervalued. To explain why it's so powerful, think about when professionals, small entrepreneurs, offer to be part of a specific inner circle of selected people to grow together. And to be very honest, I think that this trigger will be more valuable in the years to come. Use it anytime you can in your sales message or add some bonuses in your offer in order to allow your clients to be part of something special. The question is, how can I offer people an opportunity to be part of a remarkable and restricted community? The last trigger I want to mention, but not least, is this one. Reason why number 10. Increase popularity or social status. All of us want to be famous and renowned. I want to make an example of a headline that I used to sell a 4-month program on online marketing and personal development. This was the headline I used and it worked like magic. Here is how to be recognized, appreciated and followed even if you start from scratch and without experience. The question is, how will buying my product make them feel more popular and increase their social status? It's time to make an example. Let's assume our product is an online course on how to seduce women in a dance club. In this case, I don't start with the make money trigger. I start with save money trigger. Instead of investing thousands of dollars in consultants to help you, I will teach you everything you need to know with proper support if you need help. Avoid effort trigger. You don't have to figure out what works and what doesn't. Just follow my process as more than 2,500 clients did. Use and apply my methodology to attract women in the club and you are ready to conquer everyone. Save time trigger. Don't try to approach a woman in a club without a strategy. You will lose time, money, and most probably you will miss lots of opportunities. With my method, I give you the exact recipe to be successful from day one. Gain price trigger. I promise you, your friends will envy you because of your security in approaching women and your self-esteem will increase exponentially. Not only, women will love you because they will see a nice guy secure in himself. Achieve better health trigger. In this program, I don't only teach you how to have the right approach to women in a club, but I'll teach you how to train your body and your mind to be more sexy and very good looking. And that's it. Let's do a brief recap of 10 reasons why to persuade people to buy from you. Number 1, make money. Number 2, save money. Number 3, save time. Number 4, avoid effort. Number 5, escape mental or physical pain. Number 6, achieve greater cleanliness or hygiene to attain better health. Number 7, get more comfort. Number 8, gain prize. Number 9, to be part of something. And number 10, increase popularity or social status. And that's it again. If you find the information I shared valuable, or if you think this information can help other people, feel free to share the video with anyone you want. It's a pleasure for me, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel and turn the notification on to be notified every time I upload a new daily video. If you like this type of content, tap on the like button as well, and let me know your point of view by leaving a comment below this video. Keep in touch in the next episode.